complications of lasers and IPL treatments. IPL stands for intense pulse light. It is not a laser, it's a different technology, but for practical purposes has the same effects. The complications of these include, but are not limited to, these few things. Number one, damage to the skin leading to changes in color. There can be two kinds of changes. One is hyperpigmentation, where you can have darker spots, more brown in color, or you can have hypopigmentation, which means loss of the pigment. Both can be temporary or permanent and can be very difficult to treat at certain times. These can happen in darker individuals more than lighter individuals. So being of darker skin or having a tan puts you at higher risk. So that's very important to realize. Also, you can have burns. The burns on the skin can happen from high intensity, and even if you have done a test patch initially that showed that you did fine with certain settings, when you do a whole area or a different day, the same settings that did not burn you in the test patch can still burn you. If it is a mild burn, it usually heals well and goes away, but in severe cases, it can leave a permanent scar, which needs to be cut out and repaired. With lasers, you're always concerned about accidental exposure of the eye, so it's very important to use the eye protection, or you can end up with a burn of the eyes, or in worst cases, damage to the retina and loss of vision. You can accidentally treat an area of hair that you did not mean to and lose hair, which can be in the eyebrows or eyelashes or close to the hairline. The complications of laser can happen despite all the precautions, but they're more likely to happen if a person is exposed to sun excessively either before or afterwards. It's important to remember that the healing process goes on for a month, and the healing goes on under the skin, so you might not even see anything over the surface. However, if you expose the skin to sun, then you might start seeing the changes in color over time. So if you keep those few things in mind and take proper precautions, you can avoid a lot of these complications. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you liked it. I love doing these videos and I really enjoy the participation and the comments and everything from everyone, and I will keep putting in more material. And if you like it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can keep watching the new editions as they come along. And also, we are active on social media, so please like us on Facebook and on Instagram, and follow us on Twitter. We will try to provide excellent stuff and keep you all engaged and exciting. Thank you very much for your time, and enjoy.